Let me show you my profile on Freelancer. On last month I joined on Freelancer and I earned some dollars. I am not a full-time graphic designer, so I invest few times here and I earned $215. You can see here. And now let me show you the projects I have completed here. So here you can see those much of projects I have completed on last month. So let me visit my profile. Here you can see the feedbacks, reviews, and you can see my ratings is 5 and 10 people gave their reviews here. And this is my portfolio. You can do the same. And here you can see the reviews. So 5 days ago this client gave the reviews very lately because from the last 2 weeks I did not spend time here. So you can read the comment here. So most of the clients you can see are from USA, and here you can see the reviews, quality of work, 5-star, communication 5-star, everything is in 5-star, everything looks good. And you can see all the projects here. This is $100 project I completed. This is t-shirt design, you can see here. And this was my first project. You can see 1 month ago I joined there and got the first project and completed. This user was from India itself. Now let me show you the messages, how to do the conversation with this is the last person I do the conversation. You can see here. So this was the project I have done for him. You can see here, and this is the logo design. Let me visit this one, and let me show you what I have hand over to the client. You can see here handover option is there. So go to handover. You can see this is the handover process. You need to do the sign contract that you will not sell this logo to any other person. So here are the files that I sent to my client. You can see high resolution, GIF, EPS, SVG, PDF, PNG transparent, Facebook profile pic, Twitter profile pic, and Instagram profile pic, and many more things I sent to him. And once you get some few reviews, you will get lots of project and big amount of project will come to you. Hope you like this video. I'll share many more things in upcoming days. See you later. Have a great day.